In this video, we show that by using Morph transition, you can really emphasize certain topics on slides and certain pictures in your presentation. This means if you want to present to someone, then definitely watch this video that once click. The second you can shift to the bird and move around, presenting it in the fun dynamic way. Click the right button, go to Format Background, select Background Color, go to Insert, click on Picture. Here I have downloaded picture from Google. From here we will select 3 pictures and insert them. Go to Crop, click on Crop to Shape and select Oval. Click on Outside and select this picture, make the size 5 cm. Also select this picture, make the size 5 cm. Select this picture, make the size 15 cm. Click on right button, duplicate the slide. Select it and place it here. Select this picture, make the size 5 cm. Place it here. Select this picture, make the size 15 cm. Click on right button, duplicate the slide. Select it and place it here. Select this picture, make the size 5 cm. Select this picture, make the size 15 cm. Go to the first slide, add information about the owl. Go to the second slide, add information about the crow. Go to the third slide, add information about the sparrow. Go to first slide, also select all slides. Go to Transition and select Morph. Increase duration also. Go to the first slide. Now click on Slide Show. So, see friends, our slide looks cool and funny. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel and share it with your friends. See you in the next video. Thank you.